In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your free salon website completely personalized and SEO optimized by us with the TimeTailor Salon Website Builder. So we're going to start in the dashboard section of our TimeTailor app. Here you can see all the steps that you need to check in order to fully complete your setup. One of the steps being building your free salon website. So we're going to click on Customize. And here what you have to do is choose a theme for your website. This can be a light theme or a dark theme. I'm going to go for light. Then a primary color that you want to use on your website. You'll also need to add your salon logo, and if you don't have a logo, we can generate you one for free. Let's click on Save and go and see how our website turned out. This is our salon's website, Nailify Salon. As you can see, we have the primary color here in the shade of purple and the light theme, and in the corner here we have our logo. We build a salon website with your own domain name, and we SEO optimize it in order to help it rank in Google. On the website, you also have an About section, as well as a list of your service categories. These are the same services that are featured in your booking link so that it's easier for clients to explore them and actually book an appointment from your website. So for example, if I go and click here on the manicure section, I'm going to be redirected to the booking link, and this is where I'd be able to book a service. Now, let's say, for example, you want to add a new type of manicure. I'm going to create a service. I haven't added an image yet, but this is just to showcase that this will automatically show up in the booking flow. So now if you go on your website and you go on Explore Services, in the manicure category, you should be able to see the new service that you just added. Going back to our website here, you can also add testimonials from your clients, as well as your salon booking policies, which also transfer automatically from your TimeTailor profile. So if we go back to the app and we go on Settings, Bookings, we have here the policies and deposits. These will show up on your salon website so that clients are aware of them when booking an appointment with you. At the bottom of the web page, you will have your opening and closing hours, your contact information, as well as your social media links. Now you know how to use the TimeTailor Salon Website Builder and get your own free salon website completely personalized to your business. And if you're new, sign up to get your first client booking today.